Human mind is a wandering mind. A wandering mind is an unhappy mind. The ability to think what is not happening in the moment is a cognitive achievement that comes at an emotional cost. Hi guys, this is Trapti Sharma and welcome to Meditation. Let's talk about meditation today and why it is important. So, today we will be deep diving into meditation and we'll try to understand how meditation works and some science based effect of meditation on our body. So, let's start. There are two type of people, introspective and extrospective. Now you must be wondering कि यार ये introvert and extrovert तो सुना था ना, what is this new thing now? So interoceptive are the one who has the ability to feel inside easily. By inside I mean who can feel whatever is going on inside their body very easily without any effort, or we can say without less efforts. And extroception, you can say that opening your eyes increases extroception automatically. So if any of your senses is on, like if you're hearing anything, you're seeing anything, you're touching anything, you're eating anything, your extroception mode is on. So by default everyone is extroception. Now when we shift from extroception to introception, if we when we shift from outer world to inner world, we really increase the ability of our frontal lobe and ACC region, that you will be able to pay more attention, you will be more focused, more sensitive what is going on or what is happening inside you, like how full you are, how empty stomach you are, or how your skin feels hot or cold. You will be more sensitive. And uh, just by sitting down and closing your eyes, your brain goes this major shift, and this is, trust me guys, a beautiful thing. Many people are naturally introspective. Naturally I mean I like without doing any meditation practice, they can just go and just connect with their internal body. So how you know that you whether you're interoceptive or not? So to feel that, just close your eyes and without placing your hand on your body, try to feel your heartbeat. If you can, you are a kind of an interoceptive person. But if you cannot, no worries. You can do this by practicing meditation. So you can train yourself for that, and meditation practice can help you to improve this ability, and you will be really in touch and connected with your body. But this is not always beneficial, guys. So this is kind of a thing which I have to tell you earlier, because when you start feeling your heartbeat, okay, it's increasing, or there if you're feeling some sensation in your stomach, there are many people who get anxious that, oh my god, what is happening, my heartbeat is increasing, oh my god, there's something going on in my stomach. So all these things can happen. So if someone is closing their eyes and feeling their heartbeat, they might get anxious. So in that case, an open eye meditation or a walking meditation or a standing meditation will be beneficiary for them. So again, it vary from person to person. It is not always true for that every anxious person should do walking meditation or open eye meditation. It vary from person to person. So you need to identify what is your key is, and to identify that you need to understand yourself, how you work, how you feel, what is going on inside you, whether you are able to deal with it or not. So you can plan or select your own meditation, that okay, this meditation is good for me and I will be continuing with that. So this is how you can choose. So from connecting from the outer world through the inner world, again, ears, eyes, our senses, five senses help us to disconnect or connect from the outer world. So if you're closing our five senses, we can go inside. Like we can, if we can close our ears and eyes, we can go inside and like connect with our inner world. So both are good. Again, find out what is good for you and what is working for you. So there is an this amazing study done called default mode network. This default mode network is kind of, we can say, a collection of different brain areas of our brain only. So this study was done for meditation only, and essentially they ask certain questions, or they have given certain activities to people, and done this study. So this again, this default mode network is a collection of different brain areas of your brain that essentially active when we are not doing anything, like any certain activity, like when we are not focused, or we are not doing any particular task or conversation, anything like that, then that specific area is activated. This generate mind, and this area basically generates our mind wander, like it uh, um move our mind from past to present to future. So this area, this default mode network in our brain, is responsible for our mind to wander from past. Like for say, if we are in present working on something, we're thinking about past, or we're thinking about future. So this is the area which is responsible for you to wander from here and there. So yeah, you have the name now. So this default mode network is a network of brain area that are active when your mind is wandering between these time zones. So if you want to read on this paper, the paper name is "A Wandering Mind is an Unhappy Mind." So you can go and research and read that paper as well. So, what they find out from this research is, unlike animal, human spends more time in thinking about what is not going on around them, and mostly wandering in past or future on the things that will not happen. These thoughts are happening on their own, and that is called the default mode. So they ask many people at moment what are they feeling right now, and also they ask them what are they doing right now. So while they were doing something, the result was very interesting, guys. They were looking between matches and mismatches, like how they were doing, what they were doing, and how they are feeling. So first batch is, people's minds wander frequently regardless of what they are doing. So nearly half of the sample says that people were generally thinking about something else, except like whatever they are doing, but they were thinking about something else, whether they were in past, they were in future, or they were some in imagination thing. But very small little bubble says that they were focused on the task, like whatever they were doing, like self work or working or walking or talking or grooming, anything they were doing, they were focused on whatever they are doing. So people were less happy when their mind was wandering, because whatever they are doing, their mind was somewhere else, so they cannot be happy. So the ratio of those all those people whose mind was wandering, they were less happy in their life. But when people like giving their best, like were thinking at the given moment, was for like better predictor of their happiness than what they were doing. So if they are focused on any task, they are doing whatever they are doing, and their mind was not wandering anywhere else, those were the most happiest people. And there were very like less frequency when they get down or they get sad. So again, this gives me this idea that thinking good thought and be positive is really important. There's no doubt in that. But equally, to have the ability to be fully engaged in what you are doing at the given moment, that is the strongest key for being happy. So this is what I concluded. And we can say that this paper helps us to understand why meditation practice is so important, because meditation practice is really about adjusting your place along this interoception and exteroception condition, and you can switch between these moments, and you can go inside. So like for say, if you're seeing something and you get agitated or anxious or sad or something affects you, you can close your eyes, go inside, feel yourself, like wherever the uneasiness is, you can calm it down and just be in the moment and relax and enjoy that moment. So yeah, as the brushing is important daily, as we like bath every day, I feel like मेडिटेशन इज़ ऑल्सो इक्वली इम्पॉर्टेंट. अगर आप ब्रश करना नहीं छोड़ सकते, नहाना नहीं छोड़ सकते, you should not miss your meditation as well, because this is magical and it creates magic in your life. So yeah, that's it for now. Milte hain next time. Bye bye and have a nice day, guys.